Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So pretty much rangy type trading yesterday, and then the Asian session we're kind of dropping. There is structure just below us, which is this pin bar here. So wouldn't read too much into it just yet. As I said yesterday, we are more than likely trying to figure out where the bottom of this range is. And this zone is the most likely for me, which is between 110.269 and 110.084. So 110 is a big round number, which does make sense that it needs to be tested as well. We have broken below the 150 at the moment, but the bar's not finished, so I'm not going to hold my breath there. But if you look at it on the 3 hour, we definitely have broken through the moving averages this week and pulled to the downside. So we have broken the range that we're looking at, or the structure, but we haven't come back to reject any of those levels, giving us an opportunity to get in short. So be a little bit worried about jumping in short down here, because we do have the oscillators grouped to the downside, so we are oversold at the moment, and then you're coming into a fairly strong zone of support. So definitely not looking to jump in short there. The opportunity to be short would have been higher up, pretty much in the 111, 100 area. Price action yesterday didn't really give us anything either. So you can see we were sideways, 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 in amongst moving averages. Then we dropped. The only opportunity I can see was this pin bar of structure. Let me put the structure in. You can see fairly strong area of support that we had here, drop below it. So there probably was something there, but 300 points, nothing to pull your nose up against, but you would probably still be holding that, waiting for this 110.269 target. That was the only opportunity, which was just before the US session. So the European session was flat, and then we dropped. Bear in mind, non-farm payrolls tomorrow, so you're probably going to just range or drift lower onto support, and then sort of just hover around here waiting for non-farm payrolls. So I'm reluctant to be short. The oscillators are all oversold, but I'm also reluctant to be long. So I'd rather wait for some structure here. So either a longer range and the oscillators reverse and come to the upside, and that indicates we've got a potential break lower, or alternatively start regaining the highs of yesterday, build a base up there, and then continue moving to the upside. And that would set the boundaries for our range. So that would mean the bottom of the range would be here at 110, 100 area, and the top of the range would be at around 112. That's a fairly wide range, and if something like that sets up, I haven't seen it set up that often, but you know, it just gives you a solid big range which you trade off the bottom and trade off the top until it breaks. And normally when it's like this on the higher time frames, it takes a lot to break. So far easier to trade a range like that than a range on an hour or 15-minute structure. Anyway, I'm sitting on the sides today. Doesn't look like there are any opportunities that I'm interested in. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.